Oh, fish on. Here we go. You're comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. You're okay. Okay, ready? There we go. Now we're rocking and rolling. So we're here at Monument Reservoir, and that was fish number 1 in about 5 minutes. And an old spot that I used to fish many years ago, and I'm here with my daughter Panda today, and what she wants to do is she wants to dead stick it, and I'm just gonna throw a small fly out to see if we can catch any more trout or anything else that hits it. There we go, fish on. First fish of the day. Yeah. There we go. Oh, hold on. Put your hands real fast. There we go.
It's a little one.
Yeah, it's a little one. Oh, let me unhook it. Hooked it up real good. Alright, oops. It's already not doing too well. It's okay.
Look at it. Do you record it?
Yeah, I got that. Oh man, my lure got stuck underneath the rock. Oh, issues.
Yay, first fish of the day.
First fish of the day. There we go. Another little trout. Wet your hands. Let's go. Uh-oh. Oh, this one's skinny. This one's not eating good.
Oh no. Oh gosh, can I hold it?
Yeah. Okay, you want to let it go?
Yeah.
Let's show the fish on the camera. Yeah. Alright, let's let it go. Okay, let it go. Say bye, fish.
Thank you.
Yeah, just like a slow retrieval. I like using my bait caster with this one versus the spinning reel because I could, you can sling it, farther.
So you use the bait caster on
With this setup, yeah.
Okay, I'm not sure that.
Yeah, just because, with the bait caster, you can cast it farther. Yeah. I'd rather have the distance and more room to fish,
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to bass fish and striper bass fish, and I used to do a lot of big game fishing. Yeah, but ever since I moved to Colorado 20 or 30 years ago now, just little stuff. I have fun though. It's all about the fun. Being outdoors.
It's only best for your legs.
YouTube or what?
Huh? Yeah, I started a channel about 2 years ago.
How many followers you got?
I only got like 334, 340.
That's not bad.
It fluctuates. There we go. Another one right there.
It's a big one. Nope. It's mostly big.
There we go. That's a little bit bigger than the other one.
Can we keep this one?
No, we're not gonna keep this one. So what trout number is this, Panda?
Okay.
Number 3.
Hey, don't like don't keep holding it.
Okay. Just unhook that. There we go. You wanna let it go? Oh, whoa, wow. You really let it go, didn't you?
Oh, look, it's over here.
Is it underneath the kayak?
Yeah.
Oh. All right, guys, that's trout number 3. Oh, there we go. Dang it. Yeah, so whenever they get used to one pass, it's like bass, you know, when they get used to it, you just change it.
So why do the trout like just sit right here?
Trouts are smart.
and just hang out,
Yeah.
because they're looking for the bugs. Whenever they see a bug, they're just gonna come and eat it.
And that's why they go down the shore.
No, these are stock trouts. The native trouts are, you'll see, when you see a native trout that's actually been born in the lake and everything, they won't stick around. There we go. Fish on. There we go. Trout number 4, guys. Wash your hands. This one's fatter. I don't even have my net on me. There we go. Oops. There we go. Let's unhook it. There we go. Yeah, what happened? Launch as far as you can. That way you get that distance.
That was slimy too.
That's all I'm doing. Yep. From where that gentleman's at right there on the... There we go. Let's get back out there. How far can you cast it? Yeah, it's good. Right there. Just make sure your fly hits behind the lure. So you want to stop it like just right. Otherwise your fly will be in front of your float. And then I'm just kind of doing like, just like that. Not too fast, not too slow. Oh, fish on. There we go. Another one. This one's small. Okay, you want to hold it?
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay, there we go. There we go, guys.
It's a purple one. Look, see that little pink?
This is trout number 5. You got it?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, hold on. Let me get it.
This one's slippy.
Yeah, I know. I didn't bring my net. We are hooking them up good, though. Okay, there we go, guys. Let it go. That one got bit by a pike. You can see it's like, you know when the pike eat it, they eat the head first.
Dad, look at this. This is so slimy.
Yeah, that's why you wet your hands. All right, what is that, 5 or 6?
5.
5? Okay. One more and then let's call it a day.
One more, we're keeping
Yeah, because I got to run the shields.
the last one, we're keeping it, okay?
We're keeping the last one?
Yeah.
There we go.
That was really slimy, right, Daddy?
Yeah, that one got bit by a pike.
It did?
Yeah,
How?
because you can see the teeth mark on its thing. Watch, I'll go back on the camera to show you. I have to put it in slow motion.
Okay.
You know, you talking about food is making me hungry.
Me too.
And I actually had a good breakfast.
Me too. I'm still hungry.
Hey, thank you guys for watching the video, and we're done fishing out at Monument Lake. We fished it for about 2.5 hours. Now we're gonna bounce out of here and get some chow. So like and subscribe and comment down below. Appreciate it. Thank you.